If you want to enable push notifications on X.com, also known as Twitter, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. By the end, you'll know how to turn on push notifications so you can stay updated on mentions, replies, messages, and account activity right away. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media how-to videos. Now let's jump in. First, log into your X.com account and look at the left-hand navigation bar. If you don't immediately see all the options, click More to expand the menu. This opens up the full list of account settings and tools. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and notification preferences in one place. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, find and click Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you about activity on your account. Inside Notifications, click Preferences. This is the area where you can customize the kinds of alerts you want to receive and how you want to receive them. Now look for Push Notifications and click it. This is the setting that controls notifications sent directly to your device. When the push notification options open, simply toggle on Push Notification. Once it is switched on, X will be able to send alerts directly to your phone or browser, depending on the device you are using. And that's it. You've now enabled push notifications on X.com or Twitter. This means you'll be able to stay on top of important updates without constantly checking the app. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.